Okay, in this video I have been prepared for the template of the 3D modeling of high-rise building, and I've prepared for the every single slab has been component in here from the top until the bottom for the triple high-rise, so we can make the folded triple folded high-rise building in this session. Okay, so we can make the modification for every single slab in here to make the folded high-rise. So we can triple click and we can click this line. We can click for any edge in here, and we can place for the any edge also, and we can click this line and click this edge and place this position. Okay, and again we can click this line and we can click this edge and we can click this edge. Okay, now we can push it down until the limit like this, and we can push it down until the limit. Okay, and we can also move this one. We can also modify this slab with a previous method. We can use the line, click from this position until this position, then we can click this edge until this edge again, and also this edge and until this edge. Then we can click this surface and push it until the limit, and click this surface and push it until the limit. Okay, and we got this, and this one also. We can click this line and click from this position till this position, and click this one till this position. Okay, then we can click this one till this position. Then we can click the surface until the limit, and also the surface. Okay, and we now get the folded high-rise. Now we can make the playful elevation for every single high-rise in here. Maybe we can select it all. Maybe we can select the tower all, and or we can right click and explode them all, and so we can click for just for a single slab in here. Then we can delete for several slab in here, and maybe we can delete this one, or maybe we can just delete this slab only, so we can make the triple tower with the different elevation for every single tower in here. Okay, then now we can make the outline of this high-rise with using this one. We can click this slab, right click and make unique, click this slab, right click and make unique, and also this slab, right click and make unique. Okay, then we can triple click, offset it inside around 500 millimeter, enter, and we can or maybe we can offset it inside until 1 meter, enter. Then we can click the surface and select edit, copy, exit from the group, and edit paste in place. Then we can push it down until this position. Then we can triple click, right click and make group. Now we can assign the glass materials like this, and we can also do the same way with using this click this face, offset it inside 1 meter, and enter. Click the surface, edit, copy, exit from the group, and edit paste in place. And we can push until the ground floor. We can triple click, make group, and assign the materials like this. And also this one, we can right click, we can triple click, offset it inside 1 meter, enter. We can click the surface, edit, we can edit, copy, exit from the group, edit, paste in place. Then we have to push it until the bottom in here. Then we can triple click, make group, and assign the glass material over there. Now we can make the another elements. Maybe we can make the canopy. We can draw the line in here by following this outline of this high-rise, for example like this. Okay, then we can triple click, offset it outside. Okay, around 15 meter approximately. Okay, then we can close the line and can push it down, triple click, make group, and we can move and duplicate till this position to make the ground floor, to make the sloping for the circulation, and also this one we can make this sloping area in here. Okay, for example, like this. So you can make the another elements like a cylinder and push it until the top, and you can duplicate for every single column of the drop off or entrance over there. Okay, approximately like this. And we can activate the shadow. And of course we can also change the shadow orientation like this word, for example, and we can also change the materials. We can also change the darkness of this high-rise building. Okay, and maybe we can triple click. Then we can click this one. We can delete this top and bottom surface, and also this one. We can delete the top and bottom surface. Okay, like this, and we can make the core building inside until the ground floor. Anyway, okay, triple click, make group, and we can click this rectangle. Okay, we can triple click, make group, and this is about the core building. So we can edit for the core building as we want anyway. Okay, thanks for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial of this channel. Or you can also make the another variation of this facade building, or we can make the another surface in here. For example, we can push it to the front, and also this one we can make the little facade design in here. Can triple click, make group, and okay, we can make it a little bit. Okay, and we can throw this one also in here. Okay, we can push it until down till this position. Okay, thanks for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.